Good morning guys. Ako po si Ilocano Americana again. Ako po yung nag-harvest ng aking mga halaman. Ang mga harvest natin ngayon sa munti kong halamanan ay kwantong. Sa ibang lengguwahe, nasit. Kwantong nasit. Kasi mayroon siyang barb. May sharp siya dito banda. Oh. Kwantong is good for your health. Guys, the kwantong. And then, I have some squash flower or pumpkin flower. It's good vitamins, full of vitamins, organic. And I have banana pepper and my green tomato. I just harvest a few because wala pang masyadong marami. And my eggplant is my first time to plant a lot of eggplant. I have 7 eggplants, so I just only harvest 2 of them today. It's just good enough for me. I will fry it and make soy sauce dipping sauce. Maybe I fry them with the fried green tomato together. And this is my bitter melon leaves. I gonna make it for soup. We call it dinengdeng. Soup vegetable, soup base with fish, grilled fish, any kind of fish. And I have some of my water spinach or kangkong. So we're gonna have a healthy meal today. And I have also a lot of, this is a lot for me, of onions. So, you know, you use onions for everything, especially curries. So, okay guys, thank you for watching my video. And next time I will tour you into my backyard. But right now, I just show you what I harvested, and I really appreciate your watching. Thank you.